Okay, you might ask, what makes me think this light switch is going bad? Oh, it's easy. Look at that. I'm barely touching it. The light's flipping on. That's less than an 1/8 inch. And even when it snaps on and goes beyond center, there should be a better snap than that. It should be something like this. At least the toggle, you can hear it and feel it firmly snap over center, whether it's on or off. That's the fan. Pretty decent. The light switch, something's happened to it internally. This switch is 5 years old. It's a cheap one, but clearly we have a problem here. That is no good. You may think you're turning it off, and if it gets worse, you're going to flip it off, it's going to stay on, or it's going to arc to the point where you can actually hear it burning. And this has burnt down houses. Let's see if we can hear the arcing. I can hear a very subtle snap in there, or a very subtle kind of a crack in there. But I have hardly no downward motion whatsoever. Less than an 1/8 of an inch. So now I'm going to show you what a good light switch should feel like. But we're going to do it on a meter, and we'll put it on continuity where we get a beep when the light switch should make contact. But let's go take a look. We're going to set the meter up for continuity. It's down here where the ohm meter is, and you can see the little sound waves icon. Went ahead and put on the alligator clip so we don't have to hold them. And to get sound, we're going to have to hit the function button, I think. Yep. Brings on the sound icon. Okay, here's the switch that we just removed from that bathroom. Let's go ahead and see how it behaves. Switch is mounted in this position, on, off. Yeah, just a single pole, single throw switch. And check out how close that is. So the danger is not going on. On's going to stay on, even well past the halfway toggle point. It's when you turn it off. The contact is just way too close when you turn it off. So this goes into trash. These are excellent switches, I have found. They are LED lighted switches, and they are more compatible with LED lights. It is a white light, it's not the amber or orange light, so it's another thing I like about it. Let's go ahead and get this hooked up. Leads are on one side. Now, to get a good connection, if you're going to use the meter, you want to back them out. Otherwise the screws can be like that one, it can be a little bit loose. Back them out all the way, just want to back them out till they're tight. And then get your clamps in place. So with the leads in place, we have our sideways view. Now let's watch the behavior on this. This is a good switch. There's the halfway toggle. And check out the break, right at the halfway mark. But the break is above the toggle. So when you turn it off, you are definitely off. I realize off is off and on is on, but you can definitely have different conditions of on and conditions of off. You can be off and you could be just a 10,000th of an inch from that contactor. That is not an ideal situation. That burns down houses. That meter has a hesitation in it. I think it's when the red light comes on. But if we was wired to 120 volts, what you're hearing on the tone, that would replicate the lights coming on and off. Now we have one wired up that's identical to this. Let's go check it out. But this is, if you have a meter, if you don't have one, get one. I'll put a link. These are I'm not sure how you say it, Kaiweets, but they come complete with these cords, alligator clips, and 2 probes. Very awesome for the money. And they do everything, and they check the frequency, and it works. I've used it on my generator, I've used it on the house. Awful handy to do the frequency check. And it'll lock it in too. It has a memory. So it's pretty nice to go ahead and check your light switches. You may not be into light switches like I am, but if you are, this is a good way to check them. Now this one here, when you toggle it down, your off is in a really good state of off. Let's check this out. Off is above the toggle. There's the toggle. On comes on above the toggle, but I still have a 1/4 inch of movement. Good shape. Okay, well that wraps up this little video on OCD for light switches. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comment section. Work safe out there, and have a good one.